Hi, I'm Danielle with Godiva Secret Wigs, and today I'm going to be talking about the differences between our medium tops and our long tops. I'm going to show you the regular versions and also the monofilament versions of each one. So right now, I'm actually wearing our long top in Cappucino. So there's 2 snaps in the front, 2 snaps in the back. And there, I was wearing this great long top. So I want to first show you the length difference between the long top and the medium top. So here's the length difference. So the medium top is much shorter than this long top. So if your hair was even to here, I might get the long top and have it trimmed a little bit to blend with your hair. So first I'm going to show you the medium tops. I'll show you the regular and the monofilament. So this is the regular one. The inside is machine done, and up here on the top it's all machine teased, so it's going to give a lot of extra fullness in the top. Where opposed to the monofilament has this monofilament inside, meaning each hair is put in one at a time. And on this side, you'll see it actually looks like scalp compared to this one where you just see what looks like hair. So I'm going to put them both on for you so that you can see the difference. And just know this top piece is too short for my hair, so I would not be wearing this, but I want you to see the difference. So see how you get this great fullness up here, and then you'll see kind of some layering here. That's just the tag, that white piece. So you'll see lots of great fullness. There's a little hair in the front here. So that's going to be the regular medium top. Now I'm going to show you the monofilament medium top. You're going to notice that this is going to lay much flatter because there's no machine teasing. So again, there's the 4 clips on the inside. And I'm going to put the clips just behind where my bangs are. Snap. 2 in the back, snap. And again, like I said, this is not the length that I would be using. But see how it lays so much flatter on top of my head? And then if you look, it actually looks like your scalp here. So if you're wanting something flatter, definitely go with the monofilament. And now, one last medium top I'm going to show you. I'm going to actually put one on that is completely not my color, so you can really see where it lays. So this is the medium top with roots in almond spice. So again, right here in the front, and then I'm clipping it in the back. So again, this is a rooted, or a machine tease, the regular one, so it's definitely going to be a little bit fuller. But I just want you to see everywhere that this hair lays. So again, this is not my color. So you'll see kind of where it comes here. So that is the medium tops. Now we're going to go into the long tops. So the same thing, the long tops come in the machine tease, which this is what it looks like on the inside. And here you just see it looks like hair. And then here's the monofilament, and here's the inside. And then here, you're going to see what actually looks like scalp. See the difference? Regular monofilament. Regular monofilament. So now I'm going to put them both on to show you the difference. So this is the regular long top in the dark chocolate color, which is a little bit lighter than my color. I would probably use the espresso, which is a soft black. But this is fun to kind of give me just a little bit of a lighter color. So this is the regular long top. So see how it has a little bit of fullness up here? And then you'll see the back. So for me, because I have a little bit of a bang, if I own this exact piece, which I do, but I'm not wearing it, I would just cut this little bit to blend with my bangs. Similarly, with either piece, if you have shorter bangs, you can cut this front little piece, these pieces, just to blend with your bangs. So again, this is the regular long top. It's a little bit fuller here, and if you part, you just see what looks like hair. Now I'm going to show you the monofilament version. So this is the monofilament long top, and this color is dark chocolate, which is a little lighter. Again, like I said, I would use the espresso, but I wanted you to kind of be able to see it on me, so you could see what's my hair and what's the piece. So this is going to be the monofilament long top in dark chocolate. So notice how much flatter it is on my head. So even when I'm brushing it back, wherever I part it, it's going to be a lot flatter. because there is no machine teasing. And you'll see where I parted, it actually looks like scalp. So let me show you the back of that one. Oh, minus the tag. So that's the monofilament long top in the dark chocolate. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is a regular long top in a color that is completely not my color. It's the maple sugar R color. So this is the regular long top. The regular and the monofilament are going to be the same length. The only difference is that top part. So I'm going to put this on just so you can see exactly where the hair is. So again, this is the regular one, so it's going to be fuller up here. So you can see here's these short pieces. Here's this. You'll see all the hair. So this way you can fully see where the hair is going to lay. It's really amazing whether your hair is thin on the top, maybe you have gray roots coming in, maybe you just want a little bit lighter color, which is fun too, instead of dyeing your hair. The top pieces are amazing. They're one of our best-selling pieces, and they're just great if you don't want to wear a full wig sometimes. So I hope that's helped you to know the difference between a medium top, a monofilament medium top, a long top, and a mono long top. See you soon. Bye.